Welcome to Fish Keeping Jamaica. Thank you for supporting my venture so far. I hope that whatever I have presented is of great help. Today, my video is on the aesthetic beauty of a pond that I have actually visited since week. Specific features have been identified within it, and it's interesting to know several of the other issues in which I have. It is interesting to know that several issues in which I have actually shared with you in past videos have actually surfaced, and you will actually see them for yourself. I hope you enjoy this video. Stay tuned. A few weeks ago, I spoke about the whole idea of ponds being aesthetic beauty of many companies, companies. These are some African cichlids. They want to look like bengalas, but they are not. They look like blue lab, like several of them. Wow, so beautiful. Right, here they are. They have a few coys, and where this spawn is built, the coys and these African cichlids actually live together. These are definitely blue labs. Few coys. Space is so big. They even have spaces in which they can spawn, and they spawn actually hide. I'm gonna get a better view. This is the pond, right? African cichlids. Look like African cichlid mixed with a few blue labs, and the aesthetic nature of this area. Wow. The flow with a room that is totally dedicated to filtration. Water comes in, water comes out. Water is green. Seems as if some baby fish actually can be seen at their sides. Go by that side. Yes. This is the outer beach of the adults. I'm gonna go over there a little bit to see. So beautiful. Imagine you have something like this in the back of your yard. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Cone. I like it looking at you. I think one time they gonna have some cars, but most of the cars had some illness, so they died. But these fish are looking so beautiful in the pond. That is in the spook. As I said before, this is in Jamaica, in Kingston, at a business place. People usually gather here on the porch to consume their meal. Right? On the porch. Sit on the porch. And waterfall beats. And they enjoy this nature. This is where some of the babies are at. And the babies will actually forage off the algae. And eventually they get big. Like these fish, the creation of such aesthetic beauty within their backyard or even within their company in Jamaica is of such that it's very expensive. Right? Don't think that it is very easy. It looks beautiful, many persons would want it, but this is a company that have been successful, and yeah, this is just one way of expressing its oneness with nature. I just love it. It looks beautiful. And in reference to the last video where you looked at the top 10 fish, you notice that persons love fish that actually have color, and these are such fish. Notice you don't have no jack dempsey that is more of an earth tone. You have something that stands out, the blue, the light blue, and the koi orange and white and all of that. That's what people want. You have some persons who wish for other type of fish, but this is what persons want in Jamaica mostly. That is the color. Some large kois, very large kois. I'm gonna have to research to see what that big fish is actual name is. If anybody know what the name of that fish is, you can let me know. Let me know. I'm gonna see if I can get it again. It's a big black fish that's just circle on the floor of the pond, and you just pass each other. This is just normal. Right. So once a color is actually certain age, this guy is actually a certain age and size. African cichlid don't trouble it. I should say blue labs. If I'm wrong in identifying these fish as blue labs, you can let me know in the comment below. But as far as my knowledge of blue labs are concerned, these are the blue labs. So beautiful. Some of them want to look like blue labs, and some of them want to look like some African cichlids that I have read about just recently too. Name actually slips from my memory right now. It's very, very pleasing, very, very nice. So imagine you sitting on the balcony enjoying lunch or dinner with these fish. Yeah? Wow, it's beautiful. This is what I would like in the back of my yard, but for the time being, I just enjoy it digitally. Peaceful. Those two fish look everywhere. They're going for spawning. Yeah, just went down the rock. So beautiful. The water is actually circulating in each there's a particular room that is dedicated to the filtration of this pond. This pond is an estimated probably about 5,000 gallons because it stretches all the way back. It seems shallow, probably about 3 feet. Yeah, about 2 feet, 2.5 feet deep. However, it's very wide. No lining. It seems as if it's made up of cement with stones packed at the side. And the fish stock, koi, blue lab, and it seems as if you have some mixture of African cichlid, strong coat, right into the adult section. And as I was saying in a previous video, algae is important in fish earlier years. Algae is actually used as a means of giving the fish the nutrients in which they need to survive. So the babies are here, and after a while they actually take them up and put them over into a large area. This area is well prepared for fish breeding care and just bringing out the aesthetic nature of wildlife itself. So wonderful. But I still saw some some babies. Okay.